Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video, RCDC. Okay, so in this lecture, I'm just going to show you that how we'll design our column, okay, by using RCDC, and also we'll compare our result with that Etabs result. Okay, so before export that file to RCDC, what do we have to do actually? So we just have to unlock that model, and we have to go select, then we have to go select, then just we have to go object type, and from here only we'll select our all of beams, then we'll click select, then I'll just close. So when we have selected all of our beam from here, from our model, then we have to give her assign, then frame, then output station. Okay, what will be the output station? So here you have to provide 13 station, otherwise you may face some problem. So 13 station, then apply. Okay, so already I have just, if I show you in desktop here, already I have just imported that file here, and also I have converted that file here. In our previous lecture I have just shown you, but here I'm not applying because already I have done that. So I'm just you just have to apply, then okay. So I'm just clicking okay. It's all separate, no problem. Actually they have no problem. This is done. After that I'll just go here file. Sorry, after that you have to again reanalyze your model. So I'm analyzing our model. So our analysis have been complete. After that I'll just go here file, then export, then here Etabs table to access. We have to use that option. Now they have an issue. Sometimes we see that this option is not usable. Okay, actually what is the reason? I have already created video on it, but I'm just again telling you, you need to install your Microsoft Office with Access package. Okay, they have a Microsoft Access tools, so you have to also install that tools. Okay, otherwise you will not see this option. So I'm just clicking here. After that you have to select model and analysis. Model and analysis, that too you have to select, that too model and analysis, and do not click here. Do not check here. So when you have selected that too, then you have to right click here on table, then click here modify option. So here for your case, for my case, I have just so after that carefully, no need to do here anything. Okay, no need to do here anything. Just what we'll do actually, we'll select carefully all of that by pressing Ctrl. So here, for which load you have designed your structure. So I have selected all of that. Again for load pattern, for load case also I will not use that model. So dead load, then again press Ctrl, then live load, floor finish, partition wall, live load roof, EWI. Okay, again from here all of our load combination. Okay, all of our load combination. So I am just taking all of our load combination. So here my total 27 load combination I have selected. After that you have to press OK. Now I am not pressing OK because if I just take all of that option to export our file, it will take almost, it is required as per your PC configuration. For my case, as my PC is low configuration, so for my case it will take almost 5 to 6 minutes. So that's huge time already. That's why already I have just exported that file here. Just see the total size of file is 217 MB. So I'm just only showing you for on file or on load. I'm just closing every. So from here I'm showing you for that load only, and I'm showing you for dead load, and also here for dead load. Okay, for 3, just for your case you have to take all of that. Okay, so I'm just clicking OK. After that I'm clicking here OK, and here you have to change unit, otherwise no need to change because the RCDC software will automatically change that. So after that, click OK and save that file. So I'm just going to desktop. Then for RCDC here, I will just take the project. I will take demo file. Okay, because already I have taken that file. This model file is here. Okay, because they have everything, with every load case, every load pattern, and every load combination. Then I'll just simply click here save. So it will take some time until this pop-up gone. You have to wait here. Okay, so it's a gone. So when it's gone, now here our work have completed. Now I'll just go here. I'll close. Now I'll open RCDC. And here I just want to show you something. So simply I'll take any name here or anything. So from here I'll just select the file RCDC. So here see here the demo file. So I'll select that file and we'll face a problem here. So open. Just see it's giving us unable to read analysis data. Okay, already I have show you that how we'll solve that problem, but again I'm just giving you that solution. So I'll close that and also I'll close that. After that I'll just come that folder where we have saved and I'll open that file, and we have to, and I'll click here enable content, and we have to simply save that file in that version of 2020 to 2002 to 2003 version. So I'll just select that option, then save that file, and I'll just again go desktop where I have save. I mean you can select any directory. So demo, I'm just giving here 2020, sorry 2002. See here the version is also available. I'll save. I'll just enable content. Okay, I'll close, and after that again I'll come here Staad RCDC. So here say I'm just giving anything here IS code or anything actually. So I'm just going here, and if I just come here, just see demo 2020 and open. Now it's opening. Clear? And suppose for beam first floor. Okay, for a first story beam, I'm just clicking here create new project. Now see, just see it's a come. So I will show you about I will just show you about column design. So I'll just click here, and also I'll take that project file, because I have told you, see here only 7.3, because only I have used only dead load to export, but here I have used all of that load for same project actually. Okay, so I'll just delete that too. Then I will delete here, then yes. Okay, and I'll just close that, and after that I will open our RCDC software. Sorry, maybe I have already there. I've already open software, open file. So I'll click here project. Okay, SOCE. Then client, consider SOCE School of Civil Engineering, Engr Hedaetullah, and from here you have to select your code for in which code you want to design. So I want to use ACI or BTS standard. It's as per you, or EN or IS code. You can use any of that. So I'm just using suppose BTS standard. Okay, no problem, or ACI code. They have no problem actually. So I'll take that file from here, that project. 2020 to 2003, 2002 to 2003. And from here, first of all, what I want to design, from here you have to select column or wall. Okay, column and wall. So after that, simply click here, create new project, and wait for some time. So see our column layout here, and here you are seeing that the every column name here. Okay, here what like every column name is available here. Okay, every column name is available here. So first of all, I'll so if I just show you about our beam column layout for that plan. Okay, so first of all, I'll open our AutoCAD. So here our project. So see here, this is our beam column layout of that project. Okay, beam column layout of that project. So here, and also if I just come here, so here is the beam column layout project. Now if I just come here, what do I have to do? First of all, I'll save that model. I'm just saving here, and that is beam. Now I will go RCDC and take a new folder, COLUMN, column, file name. So I'll save that file as a column file. Okay, so when we have saved, and here you are able to see your all column section we have provided in Etabs. But in Etabs I have just provided that column section in inch, but here this is in millimeter. Okay, so no problem. This is the column reference. First of all, this is the column size, and this is the level data. Okay, this is the level data, just see. And here concrete, which types of concrete you are using. So I'm using C20. Okay, I'm using C20 for our design, so I'll use that option to integrate concrete, and it's okay actually. Okay, so it's okay, and here you can see the where how much column are available. Okay, for BBS that are same, but for our terrace there have only 4 columns available. And here cover, what is the clear cover actually? So I have used 1.5 inch clear cover. Okay, I have used 1.5 inch clear cover, so I have to provide here clear cover. I will provide here clear cover 40. I'll provide clear cover, just you have to maintain that first. 40, 40, 40, because as per ACI our clear cover, minimum clear cover is 40 millimeter, as for upper above grade beam, and below grade beam we have to provide almost 75 millimeter. Okay, so here we have provided all of our data perfectly. I mean and here if you want to change your any beam or column size, then you can do that, but don't do that at this time. So when it's done, when that work is done, now if you want to save that layout, then also by clicking here save, you can save that layout in on a text file. So I'm saving that file as layout. Okay, or column layout, so I'm just saving here. Okay, and also if you want to open that file, just desktop RCDC column. So here, then open. See, here is our column layout. Okay, here is our column layout. Right. So we have just also found our column layout. See how advanced this software is actually, and from here, from the touching point, what will be the for linear, if we take linear from that point to that point, we'll arrange that later, because we have to do something here for changing dimension or something like that. Okay, so we'll go for it later, no problem actually. Okay, so when it's done, now we have to go for design, but before design we have to change something. We have to change some setting. So from here I'll just go, first of all we'll change our design setting. So I'll click here for design setting. Okay, for design setting, if your beam have, if your column have ductile properties, or then you can use here ductile design. So I'll not use that. Okay, so effective length factor, you can see that effective length factor here. If you want to use effective length factor, then you can use for that load case. I'll not assign effective, it will automatically take. So ignore intermediate beam for merged level. I'll not ignore if available. So here everything is okay at this time. And the materials properties list you can add here as per your requirement. Okay, so I'll just here grade 20 and here F4 like that. So I'll just cancel that, because already we have defined our materials properties previously in Etabs. So I'll just click OK. No need to change here anything. So I'll just go here. The important thing, reinforcement setting. So here the most important thing. Okay, so for your case actually what will be the minimum, and here the column percentage, column reinforcement, main reinforcement percentage 1% to 6%. So as per ACI this is 1% to 6%. Okay, and for shear all we are not designing shear all, so I will not consider that option. Long river spacing. Okay, long river, what will the long river spacing? So I will consider minimum 75 and maximum 300. Okay, and preferred river spacing you can give here. Preferred means actually what you want, but what you prefer that it will use. Okay, so here done, and nothing to change here. And also the column river, what will be the minimum column river? So column river will be 16 and the maximum will be 19. For shear all I will not change anything. Thickness, link river, what is the meaning of link here? Link means our strap. Okay, so I will use 10 mm bar for a link. Use bundle ductile link. Okay, and here link, which types of link you want to use, hoop or tie. So I will use hoop. And main link with boundary element, so I will use that option. Okay, I will use that option or that option. There are two options, so I will use that first option. And round off factor, what will be the round off factor? So every 25 millimeter. So when it's done, then I'll simply click OK. Right, and here in setting everything is okay. Then detailing and drawing setting, so we will change that option when we will go for detailing and drawing. Okay, and here zone bar or bar setting, so here you can change. I will not do anything here. I'll close, and also nothing to change here actually now. After that we have to simply go auto design. So I'm clicking here for auto design. Okay, so I'm just clicking here, and here we have to do one thing. We have to, in our previous lecture also I have shown you that how we'll do that. So I hope you have watched our previous lecture. Otherwise simply you have to select the type, which types of load actually it is. Okay, which types of load actually it is. Suppose this is EX, then that will be earthquake X, and for earthquake Y actually in that software you have to define earthquake Z, not Y. Okay, earthquake Z. You have to define earthquake Z, right? And like that, you have to define all of that load here available. So in your previous lecture, after completing that, I have, as I'm using that value every time and it will take huge time, that's why I have saved that all of load case and load combination after completing that. Okay, so I will request you please watch our previous lecture. Okay, I mean in beam design section, then you will understand about that. So what I'm doing here, I'm just clicking here input load case or load combination from here. So I'll just go RCDC, just see here I have saved that file in load case name, right, in our previous lecture, so you may know that. So I'm just clicking and I'm opening that. So load information file not comparable for selected design code. Sorry, that is for only for load combination. So I just have to define this is for dead load, this is for live load, and this is for rough live load, this is for direct live load. Okay, here's the live load and this is the dead load also. First of all, we have to define that dead load, then earthquake X, this is also earthquake X, this is also earthquake X, then that is earthquake Z, that is earthquake Z. For Y it will be Z for earthquake Z. Then here for wind we have to take wind X, then again wind X. Same way we have to do that, wind X and wind X. So it's taking huge time actually. Wind X, sorry, that will be wind Y, wind Z. For Y it will be Z. Okay, so in that way you have to fill that option, right? So I have done that. Okay, now I will try to import our load case or load combination. If is it okay, then okay, otherwise we will do manual. So I'll just click. So it's not okay, load information file is not okay. I'll just click okay, no problem. I'll select, sorry, I'll select all of that load here. Now if I try, what happened? Okay, no problem, it's not taking. So when we have done, we'll do our next work perfectly. So this I will again check dead load, live load, rough live load. Sorry, here I have done a mistake. Floor finish is not live load, right? So I'm just removing that. This is dead load. Then again I will take it here. Maybe it's here. Floor finish, it's dead load. Now if we try to import, okay, even it's not okay. So again I'll just give a recheck. Partition all dead load, then a live floor, live load, roof, live load, dead load, dead load. Okay, then what is the partitional? It's okay. Then the reducible live load, I have selected that. I have done a mistake here. EQX1. Actually this is not so good. EQX1. I'll just remove that here and I will make it X, and after that I will take it here. I hope now it's okay. When all is okay, again I will try that it's okay or not. Okay, it's not okay, so I can just give a recheck. After that we'll go for next. Okay, it's done. Now I'll just click OK, and from here I will click here add from analysis. I mean we'll take our default load combination, so I'll save that. So here we have saved all of our load combination. Okay, then I'll click OK. So it's done. We have done all of our initial work, and it's calculating our load force, and it will design our all of our columns at a time. Okay, and we'll be able to see our data here. So wait for some time, please. It's almost done. Okay. See, here our results are coming one by one. Okay. Okay. We got our design result, and it's again coming. It will taking some screening. That's why it's taking some time. So here our result is ready. So we can see here all of our result is ready. Okay. So now see here. Okay. Here how much main reinforcement are available here, and what is the percentage of our reinforcement. Here we are also seeing the capacity. Here we are seeing. Okay, so actually they have no column that have failed. Okay, that have failed in our design check. And here also it's showing the link, I mean the history up. Here also it's showing the history up, value of history up. Okay, and also here it's showing our main reinforcement. Number 16 mm, 6 bar required. Okay, and at which position it's required? Base to ground floor to story 1, story 1 to story 2, story 2 to story 3, like that it's showing us here. Okay, so in our next video we'll see everything about detailing, bar bending schedule, BBS, and bill of quantity, and how we'll import that data in AutoCAD. Also we'll see that. So stay with us and stay connected. Thank you very much. In our next part we'll just try to complete our all column detailing, and I hope you will be able to import, you will be able to submit your all data from here directly to field. So thank you very much.